Sunny days. Sunny days are wonderful. The sun shines brightly in the sky. The air feels warm and the world looks happy. Everyone loves a sunny day. It brings joy and energy. When the sun is out, people go outside. Parks become lively places. Families have picnics on the grass. Children play games like soccer and tag. They run and laugh, enjoying the warm weather. Sunny days make people feel alive. The sun also makes flowers bloom. Gardens are full of color. Bright yellow daisies and red roses stand tall. Bees buzz around, collecting nectar. Butterflies flutter from flower to flower. Nature comes to life in the sunshine. On sunny days, many people go to the beach. The beach is a great place to relax. People build sandcastles and play in the waves. The sound of the ocean is calming. Some people like to swim in the sea. Others prefer to lie on the sand and soak up the sun. Sunshine can improve our mood. It helps us feel happy. The bright light of the sun makes us smile. Many people enjoy taking walks when it is sunny. They breathe in the fresh air and feel the warmth on their skin. It is a great way to clear the mind. Sunny days are perfect for outdoor activities. Hiking is a popular choice. Many people explore trails in the mountains or forests. They enjoy the beauty of nature. The sun shines through the trees, creating beautiful patterns on the ground. Cycling is another fun activity. Biking on a sunny day feels refreshing. People ride through neighborhoods or along the coast. They feel the wind in their hair and the sun on their faces. In the city, sunny days bring people together. Cafes have outdoor seating. Friends gather to chat and enjoy coffee. Street performers entertain passers-by. Musicians play cheerful tunes. The energy in the air is contagious. Sunny days also bring special events. Many towns have festivals during the summer. People come together to celebrate. There are food stalls, games, and music. Everyone enjoys the sunny weather. While the sun is great, we must be careful. Too much sun can be harmful. It is important to wear sunscreen. Hats and sunglasses help protect us from UV rays. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Drinking water keeps us cool and healthy. Sometimes, sunny days can be too hot. Extreme heat can make us uncomfortable. In these cases, finding shade is essential. Trees and umbrellas provide relief. Air conditioning helps us cool down indoors. Sunny days can also create beautiful moments. Sunsets on a sunny evening are stunning. The sky turns orange, pink, and purple. People gather to watch the sun go down. It is a peaceful way to end the day. In spring and summer, sunny days are common. People look forward to these seasons. They plan vacations and trips. Many go camping or visit national parks. The sun brightens their adventures. Sunny days are also great for sports. Many people enjoy playing tennis, golf, or baseball. The sun makes the game more exciting. Fans cheer for their teams under the blue sky. The energy is electric. Animals also enjoy sunny days. Dogs love to go for walks. They wag their tails and explore the outdoors. Cats like to bask in the sunlight. They find warm spots on windowsills to nap. Birds chirp happily, singing in the trees. Sunny days can inspire creativity. Artists paint beautiful landscapes. Photographers capture bright moments. Writers feel motivated by the sunshine. Many create stories about adventures and joy. In some cultures, sunny days have special meanings. They symbolize happiness and growth. People celebrate the sun with festivals. They honor the light that brings life to the earth. On sunny days, we can take a moment to appreciate nature. The beauty around us is a gift. The flowers, trees, and sky remind us of life's wonders. We can take deep breaths and feel grateful for the sunshine. In conclusion, sunny days are a treasure. They bring warmth and happiness. People come together to enjoy the outdoors. Nature thrives under the sun. While we must be cautious, the joy of sunny days is worth it. So, let us embrace the sunshine. Whether we play, relax, or explore, sunny days are a chance to make memories. Each sunny day is a new opportunity to enjoy life. Let the sun shine bright.